Alright, and let's look at your work just a second. It is a good start, but there's a couple problems. Alright, first of all, right here you have some clipping, some really nasty clipping. Alright, meaning it's not a line. Alright, and everything is not one mesh, so it ain't gonna work for me. So let me show you. For example, if you double click that, you can see it's not even on it, man. So that's not gonna work. It needs to be put back where it belongs. That's number one. Number two, it needs to be done with the handle and that with it. You've done 3 parts, that's not modeling. Alright, it cannot be done like that. Alright, so let me show you quickly how kind of you should have done it, kind of. Alright, so now you can go, and I don't have the Visual Studio, so I'll just do it by, I'll highball it. So let's say, and I won't do that part right here, I'll just do that. We'll look at it really quickly. Let me just bring it back right here. Okay. Now let me zoom in a little bit down. Now I'm going to select that face, and I'm going to go extrude right away. And let me put that away just a second. And I'm going to go, it doesn't change much until right here, so I'll put it right there. I'll extrude again, I'll bring it right there, and here I can start running it up, for example. Alright, and then you keep going like that. I'm sorry. It's that one right here. And I'll just extrude that. Let's say I'll go it right there where you have the other. I'll take these, move them in position right here. I'll do another extrude. Zoom in really well. For example, you obviously tweak it better than that. Do not worry about the thickness of the blade yet. Alright, this is not where it's important right now. Okay, this is not the main thing. Now you do the same thing for the rear, right there. I'll do it all at once because it doesn't change much. Right here. Okay, that might be a little big of an object, so let me just scale it down like that. There you go, that's more like it. Alright, now I want to do the top. And the bottom of the guard, that one right here. I'm going to go up right here and extrude it. Alright, and let's say now I want to adjust that and that one. Actually, the other way. Let me scale it. Kind of like that. Alright, now that piece right here, the hole inside it, the recess, it's a texture. Unless it's a very, very, very close prop that is used 24/7 and super important, it's a texture. Alright, nothing else but a texture. Now, quickly, let's get going at doing things. Let me select those faces, for example, right here, and bring them down so we get that shape. And then we are gonna bring that down too a little bit. Alright, but what we're gonna do really much is actually round up that part. Let me show you. Running up the part, I'm going to go in, I'm going to go into the mesh tool, insert edge loop. Right here, and insert edge loop right there. Alright, so it recreates a wireframe. Put it in the middle as much as possible. Now I'm going to select the outside edges right here. And I'm going to scale them. And in like that. So not too bad. I can rework that out if I need to. Get a little bit rounder like that. Alright. And that would be it. Now, for example, you have that piece right here you want to redo. Even if you want to redo it inside, just select that piece and do your extrude in. Alright. So you can extrude it a little bit down like that. Do another extrude and bring it down and bring it in. Alright. You can run it up the way it should be run after that by retweaking the mesh. Okay. Now that's pretty much it. Besides, you need to make it pointy after that, and that's just by scaling it. And at the end, you grab the vertex right here, the vertices right there, and you go merge to center, and then it gets pointy. Alright, so that's pretty much what I want you to do. You know what I'm saying? I don't want you to do that in different parts like that. That's just not going to work out. Yeah, that's just not there. And those right here, there's just way too much. Look, you have, if I look at both objects, oh, sorry, fully count so I can see what's going on. So yours is 664 and mine is only 152. Alright, when you're done with mine and you want to run it up even more, you select it right here, you go into the mesh display and soften the edges right here. And now you have a mesh that is pretty good looking, actually rounder than yours may be looking almost, but not, and it's a lot less mesh. Now that right here, the top circle, you would just grab one like that, like you did, that's fine, but it's just way many two faces. Alright, you gotta get lots of faces out of that. Okay, so I hope that's a help, okay, and that you can fix your problem ASAP. Thank you very much.